I was about to ejaculate, but my balls dropped the moment you slipped out of character. You can't even seduce a man, even if he managed to insert a copy of Kama Sutra into your system. I want you to make me want you. I know you can. You just need to look the part, my dear. The only thing standing between you and stardom is your self-esteem.